Good evening everyone, my name is Vikinesh Appu, matrix number B0922104669. Today I am here to elaborate about my HVAC assignment about ESG. Today we are going to answer a few questions regarding our assignment. Today our first question is awareness of ESG. What is ESG? ESG stands for environmental, social and governance. It is a framework that assesses how companies manage risks and opportunities related to sustainability and ethical practices. It is very important in the automotive industry. So first of all, it also affects consumers and investors. So nowadays consumers and investors are increasingly or more concerned about how vehicles impact the environmental around them, like the environment and the society around us. For example, let's start off with environment factors. From ESG, first we start off with our first factor, environment. Environmental factors. The main point of these environmental factors is that it focuses on reducing carbon footprints and improves energy efficiency. For example, electric vehicles. Electric vehicles contribute to lower greenhouse gas emissions because electric vehicles only use battery or electrical sources. They don't burn fuel or consume fuel to release poisonous gases to the ozone layer up there. They have lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional combustion engines. Next we will proceed to our next factor, which is social. At ESG, environmental, social and governance. So our second point is about social factors. Social factors emphasizes fair labor practices and community engagement and customer satisfaction. At social factors, we prioritize our customer satisfaction and our community engagement. By doing so, we are able to achieve our future goal, which is to reduce carbon emissions. For example, companies that prioritize diversity and inclusion in their workforce, they are able to, in the long term, they are able to reduce poisonous gases released to the environment, and by doing so, we can secure our nature resources and maintain our flora and fauna. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nimgas from UTM, which course means Automotive Technology. Today I want to present about my title, example of vehicle hatchback system problem related to the ESG. Okay, first problem is all the vehicle has use refrigeration like R12 and R22, which are known to the deflect and ozone layer. Okay, the ESG deflect ESG impact the trees for those refrigeration during the maintenance or accident, contribute to the greenhouse gases emissions, impacting and climatic change. Next is refrigeration such as R134 YF, while less harmful to the environment, can cause the safety risk due to the flammability, the toxicity in the center conditioner. So the ESG impact to use the potential hazardous material released social concerns regarding work safety and people health, which can affect a company, government's practice and social responsibility. Thank you.
Hey everyone, okay, my name is Yurajan Alakirajure and my metric number is B0922100004 from BMKA S1/2. Okay, today I'm talking about assignment 1, where HVAC, which is about the ESG, environment, social governance. Okay, from my side is a question number 2, which is the examples of vehicle HVAC system problem related to the ESG. Okay, one of the HVAC system problems that we can know is the inefficient energy use. Many traditional HVAC system in a vehicle consume excessive energy related to the high carbon emission. This inefficient contradict the environment goals of reduce the energy consumption and emission. Okay, for example, for the internal combustion engine, running the HVAC system can reduce the fuel efficiency from the 10 to 15%, especially in the extreme weather or extreme temperature when the system is used. Okay, for the additional fuel burn to run the engine HVAC system resulted high carbon dioxide, it means CO2 emissions. For the electric vehicle, the efficient HVAC system will be make a emitted more power from the battery and reduce the driving range, and it's necessary to frequently charge. This is indirectly increase the emission if the electric source is the non-renewable thing. Inefficient HVAC system in a middle-sized car, for example like this, so it may emit an additional 100 to 200 kg of CO2, which is carbon dioxide, annually, depends on the usage and the weather. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good day everyone. My name is Navindran and I'm from BMKA3323. My metric number is B0922103661. Now I'm going to talk about another example of vehicle features that address the HVAC related ESG issues is use of low GWP refrigerants. Future modern vehicles are equipped with HVAC systems that use low global warming potential GWP refrigerants such as R1234 YF or CO2. To solve this issue, these refrigerants have significantly lower environment impact compared to older refrigerants like R3134A, reducing the vehicle's contribution to climate change in case of leaks. ESG benefits aligns with the environmental aspect by minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. This is from me, and thank you.
Good day, my name is Kishore Kumar from BMKA section 21. Today I'll be explaining one of the examples of vehicle features that address the HVAC related to ESG issues. So the feature that I'm gonna explain is about advanced cabin air filtration system. So in modern vehicles, or like in newer vehicles, we have high efficiency particulate air, which is HEPA filters or activated carbon filters integrated into HVAC system. So how does this filter solve the issue? This system trap allergens, fine particulate matter, PM2.5 and harmful gases, ensuring the cabin air for passengers is cleaner and is safer to breathe in. So the ESG benefit is improve passenger health and well-being and addressing the social aspect of ESG. Okay, thank you.